That job was just a 2-ton crane that we sold to Island Concrete, I believe was the name of the company. And then they put it up in one of their buildings that they erected for the power plant for the island. I think they installed it themselves, and once they had it up on the rails, that's when they wanted us to come in and wire it up. I did an operator training session for the second day that I was there. That was my only job responsibilities the second day. There wasn't a whole lot of guys that spoke English there. Their skill level and working with the guys was impressive. I was shocked that they were able to help me so much, and the things that they were able to do was helpful, more helpful than I thought it was going to be. So it was kind of refreshing that they were able to help me so much.